ABAQUS tutorial lesson 70. How to operate so much the cohesive surface contact of masonry wall in dynamic explicit style. The course is very humane. Let's go. Open software. Set work directory. Create number 2. Okay, in this video I will create a lot of break. Okay, between the surface I will create cohesive surface, because a lot of surface how to operate. Okay, I will show you. Let's go. Break. Okay, depth 5 millimeter. Operate. Okay. Mm, 10. Okay. I will create a cohesive surface between the surface. There is so many surface. How to operate? You should create surface at part module to surface create left. Click this surface. Done. Enter assembly module. Click on create display group. Shift click the button. Okay. Rename the all surface. Create name left. This surface needed. Okay, done. Check. Okay. Next, delete this surface. Create right. This surface. Done. Enter assembly. Don't choose this. Okay. Surface create name right. Okay, done. Track. Okay, no problem. Up and down is the same operation. I only demonstrate left and right. Up and down is same operation. Okay. Dynamic explicit. Interaction contact property. Okay, this is not this is not this class focus on the contact property. You can down this paper and the contact cohesive surface value in this. Okay. Create interaction. General contact. Continue. Oh, I forgot one thing. Right, delete. Okay, come back, interaction, general contact, individual property, segments. Haha, left, right. If you have cohesive interproperty, delete. Okay, did you follow me? It's very fast. It's very fast. Create cohesive surface. Not needn't choose one by one. That will be very complex. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow. I think this is a very useful tip. This is my Chinese WeChat. Bravely contact me if you have any question. Advertising time. Provide model debugging service for a fee. This is my email. You'd better record a video for me so I can understand exactly what your question is. But not theory and materials. Material from paper, ICI. Okay, bye bye.